Good morning. So, the blizzard has struck. We're in Chicago. It is February 2nd, Groundhog Day, actually. 9 in the morning, and here we have a shot of the blizzard today. As you can see, it snowed. And it's still snowing. Let's see if we can get a shot of this snow. Possibly take a look. Over here, there's this Ford Bronco that's been plowing the school parking lot. There it is right there. He's been out there since last night, just plowing away. I don't think he can keep up with the snow. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sure he went at some point. But let's see if we get a shot here. The accumulation appears to be pretty substantial, I would say. If we open this up, the snow has pretty much covered almost a quarter of my doorway here. You can hear the Bronco in the background. And I'm not sure if you can see the snow. It's kind of hard to see, but there is quite a bit of it. So it looks like the blizzard, blizzard sounds so bad. It's just snowing a lot. It looks like a lot of fun though. Too bad there's no hills, otherwise sledding would be pretty cool. We'll check out for another update in a little bit, but so far things look pretty cool.